video, no talk about hook up girl video, no talk about dream album songs, my videos and things. Because when we get the money, we bring it back to you fans, guys. Yeah. That is it. Yeah.
All right. Chat last week, my be week, man, Saturday, Mbalama be Sunday. Sunday, man, around young 8 to 9. 8 to 9.
Yeah.
Around young release Fancy Gadam. Yeah. Il parle. How is he performing?
Yeah, I think the share on the table Adum FM in Accra. We chat. Fancy Gadam the number 1 zone.
Adum Accra
FM
number 1.
Fancy Gadam la ina the number 1.
I see.
Ayabo. Ilama the ina the 2 days. Like the big artists we have in Ghana started reacting on the song. And like the likes of Shatta Wali and the likes of Stonebwoy. But that's a yellow band. By a yellow patois. The Uran the Kamadula. Cover Kafans get them when yellow man. Apart from them didn't understand what I'm saying in the song, but the style and the beat falls well for them. So they react on the song. The Uran the yellow man yellow, them feel pump. Can I be artists to react on that particular yellow, the Uran the yellow yellow. But the yellow.
Iran tenang burga bang.
Bangum dele, bangum ni tasha lagi ada.
Ya, dengkam boleh terpurga.
Oh, nyasa bang. Ayah so, ni nasi station. Dulu ya bang, kafas ganam ye single track na, ka reaction, gasir pun lala. Trust me, halam fans shabra biani, karman na beri belan yer fans ganam ye toa on social media. Bayi la wani yina, bezah kana back. Atene tu do maya. Ti choka dolso.
Tindivi.
The Malaka will listen, Nichi Swally Cadwell
Muarna, Goy Kwa,
I
Luna
Swalana. I know. So fun comes out with Alun Carmalaka, or he rattan as a jump, faster get music supporting. But I get Balona. You welcome your
Tapo can one next question, one atom of freestyle of Lala fancy gadam woman. We can now at Chanko Mishabri.
Yilimun Mazaka,
no Kubona, Yamami. Oi. Ada yang mana nak mer battle somba ilang battle nya.
Fasigadam ya.
Asa atmazon.
Fasigadam ya ben battle.
Kay to abe ka yel dufuno.
Battle me. Anya labo.
Tema freestyle.
Nyala melody man, fasigadam bangsum nyala dengalang gam. Nyala melody man, fasigadam bangsum nyala dengalang gam. Ay. Mbangsum balajila. Musically nyala kila. Tactically, salapila, Dingela Zamba Maidia, Amakaila, after you malabon the carboarle, the Ur Nablemo Zable, Yurlum Kamali Ntale, Kaipotin in Saman Yuli, whoa. I be Zamba, Akuchi Zamba, whoa. Won't Zamba, Oyenchana Zamba, ye, Kashale Butabani, Fansigadam, Tokoroni, Fansigadam. Petit zo fancy gadam, loli kamza fancy gadam, radio zo fancy gadam, and then dambongo ma kabe purum, nugula karakuya in your fancy gadam, jakam fancy gadam. Hey, how many instances I forced them to play nonsense? So they give them sense. There is so many processes to get success. Because of me name, they want to put me in shape. That name, me not gonna give you the blame because Almighty Allah give you the fame. Ma bokotoku make a one hit. A dream album na ku make a hit. Ma yung kurumbuna bo kay bari one hit. Via marmana ya kanti ya one hit. Abatabakan kabarnelu. Talebokan kabarnelu. Hit regarazo kaya nendibi. Kashali butibani fasigada. Tokoroni fasigada.
Nta aina ku yel join shikaso yan yala dun don man ya dun biya won freestyle man. Don't labna. Kotizang chaplon kare yes selon rene nzanta ka ba mama wondu nya sem ndati la labna tinya ni pa nye video tout le ma ka wumle ibambe katin sisil mi nyiro pa nyiro bambe sil to sil mi tanse ntia da premièrement ba pam da to follow your life and then ba pam da to maybe radio stations ya to ado chan katina ntia zumo onyela yan ti il munma after commercial break ma kat lam premiere la video ma zanta aina ku yela jonathan live ka watch it on KMTV Facebook ya to akanya man kulu malanga la kat nan sa shel kamza KMTV ka ku watch ma ko mama ka like ka share don ko en kan mon be a friends ku ka ba mi no ban chana ko gbaza sa watch ka di program madam fana man one don fancy gadam nation president the nation president the nation president the nation president the nation president alright, tu regardes un shot comme un de calme, tu sais, j'y m'as trouvé. De ne pas se ça.
KMTV, your number one online TV.
Can I virgin? What can I virgin? She know you go for virgin, yeah. And I know la social media no kulay la Wikipedia. When you don't man la Wikipedia, when you le tibu markari you. Wo sakaraja, over no mami fulinganga. Ama o Facebook yulboni shamsu, kamu pega yulboni gausu. Sasa yali ko boni mabosu, kemkuliye cheka pale ko fasu. Wo sakaraja, over no mami fulinganga. I don't know you be born one virgin, born two virgin, born three virgin. She now you be born four virgin, yeah. You be back on a virgin, back on a virgin, back on a virgin. She now you be born four virgin, yeah.
What else? Bumble the palm belly. Fancy, got let's go.
Why be say I marry you beautiful? Let's stay and you are ugly. Why be say I marry you beautiful? Let's stay and you are ugly. This been a total cheat. You must see my lawyer. This been a total cheat. You must see my lawyer. One virgin, born two virgin, born three virgin. She now you be born four virgin, yeah. You be back on a virgin, back on a virgin, back on a virgin. She now you be born four virgin, yeah. Halmanta kudu mabita da shi, munafikan baya manta da su. Halmanta mi ke bita da shi, ala gani rai ala ki. O yalmana simle ma sona bilamle, mangura ngo sona bashile. No name ngo sona bapuksele. Ashele mkura, girl why you like me? You like me say you be brand new girl. Even now I know say you dey like me girl. No no, I know one painting I mean talk. And yes I tell you I mean talk. Now I love you, why you brown me? I love you, why you dey brown me? You know say I love you, why you brown me? Why be say I marry you beautiful? Let's stay and you are ugly. Why be say I marry you beautiful? Let's stay and you are ugly. This been a total cheat. You must see my lawyer. This been a total cheat. You must see my lawyer. One virgin, born two virgin, born three virgin. She now you be born four virgin, yeah. You be back on a virgin, back on a virgin, back on a virgin. She now you be born four virgin, yeah.
Michelle never come on no lipstick. With the pencil, keep you with eyebrows. What we born to my good, they give me big tits. Now I gain this, I never go find out. They wanna walk as a winnie be like, we a virgin. About this, and I figure that the man hoy. What do you make us only more dressing? So what the boss who are Chinese them koi. Tikuzemi. Bugara, me na why me say this is a menewara. This year what make up and is a mini dama. What do you woo? Mo farming cock in a farmer. Make up my wedding man and the princess. So what's around the bag, yo, sempa. Some say me boy, the Lord is my witness. It might be this by any no more my young come a brain.
I don't know you be born one virgin, born two virgin, born three virgin.
KMTV, your number one online TV.
All right, until Sahman, you don't put your young man, fancy Garana, we are doing it live on KMTV. Watch my time with Mr. Ainit and Tam, fancy Garamia, Zuma to Kunya Bashir, and Shakan, and Chum Oile to our pandemic man affect to Shamtown. You want to explain. I know we are doing it, but Mama Kasha page, my Mamma Gadam Nation, large fan base Lama, Kabamba Junior, you all comes as a Kawaza Harmony programmer, and
pandemic.
Fancy Gadam.
Pandemic.
Yeah,
pandemic. I pandemic.
I'm bundled the man loving Yale.
Did change it? To go get more money number Shana.
La, these days, like no watch industry, ma be entertainment, ma like they are church, ma the man me feeler pie, atu barbe yashanga, ntaka atu zuba barbe yashanga. Come on, banyanya like. Is there any like ula kaya mputilema I mean some kind of issue shall not be among makasu susuntina jisasha mabi because I can relate with I think I deny not to relate with push yang
okay
I mean the na lambo
okay so the problem so mamia fancy gara ne bishama ai mamia dunia mo ka fancy gara poko Facebook mura so ku yara to ai mi ni ku yara agbani ge so ito gbogbo mi ni mu ka yara ma agba ama wi am bunda
okay
anyere ma ni so mama maka so take problem agba o
la nyere bi la kaza
no la nyere take problem agba o ama to no ko mami de to no ko ami sometimes mba understand de to no ko bor ne te be ye shacha kakana on yele ta share indirect
mbasa
thank you kan balapso mbabaso agba
la
obobo no yule
agba bo
no yule agba bo so mi yene kan man ko yara don mbali ye sama za kan kan yara
la
ana ba ko filawe because obobo yule mbabo polo yule agba so like musically baby mamu ko ka production
mba mitena say entertainment lovers be tenen to leer ma aku make post in reader la min interle
that is it
fo boy ko make ten reader la min
so le ka yarma so din ngela post
ina 10 minutes mbi amuno post in sun
ba filon ndene kan nya post adam me ka kar mala man kar mala man ma o ze ka man bala to ngara me shama kar mala man ma kamuna aba ku zer man to mu kan yarma
but I believe na amuno like beef ku bi
amuno shakar me mun sunu to zabra mama man chanka furu
to me nyine chanka furu nyine varfas
mama chanka furu because ko ke makasio
okay
in brono thank you
ko mi gbashia no tu zablenya
no makashimanya
interview no pambe ko no tu zo
ka yarma agba
all right but manim nyile
man don na manim nyile man kala to don na dunya agba kama yila funi ndongo funi dikula ya dunya ne ndongo na dunya agba so to so ko be zamba ka to bi man saf ma bien sane kan yora
kan yo tibatoro
agba ge yes achima masanka do kama yora kan yora tundal ma
mbor na artist so kena ko
kala
ka pare
ne wo chama ne de tundal saka bien sane ma wado saka bien ma nur karbi
okay
kama yora tundal ma kama ta masakarta
bodin dole
industry ma yor ndo
la
akpam first artist from north region ko no show tama pak kar pale de nyamu son
fancy gadam now you go album launch
that's one anya bo radach
yeah
mo epi show no radach
na pe kora nan zanyi na tavenu na ma don war ko zama kala history ko biya haka tin ya zal zangone bi na de bi na overhead ma tin ya zal da za ta sable na
dan kan yara ma so saf ma man goble ni yor dun dal ma ka jola anya ni
all right
so man yogi radach ka yogi yabolo sports stadium akara northern artist ko no show akara o konko single handed artist konko mfasi kana konko
okay
kankala gam national theater man
national theater yes
anya bo
yes tenda ko arti
kan so jolna ntama ba abara bien kan so jolna ngam batna
yeah
kan la labe ntano bukum
yeah
ko la jola anya bo man yor de ma ko jola hale bro Ghana Music Awards nomination mule dan nyawo
nye fansa
man dan nyawo ayawo
bitte bane
nakanda man dan nyawo first year following year kalanyale to tadi ya maya kama mafale
okay
kan to do nyanga ntinya ayawo baka na onda le to na sara drama no